This is high glue, one of my favorite glues in the shop. A lot of people are nervous about using this or don't understand it, and that was me until 30 years ago when I tried it and got stuck on it. It's got so many jobs around the shop that it's valuable for. It's transparent, the glue lines hardly show, it's rock hard and super strong, and it doesn't creep. Other white glues can creep a bit, the joints can move a bit, not with high glue. It's repairable. If you're doing a job with high glue and it sets up too quick, you can reheat parts and do it over again. The one thing about high glue is you gotta move fast. I won't use it for a job that I can't do really quickly, like within 2 minutes. I do a dry run 2 or 3 times even for a tricky guitar because I know I don't want to fail. It's a good idea to always pre-warm the parts that you're gonna put together because then they hold that heat and it helps keep the glue molten for a while. For small parts like this bridge, I set it on top of the glue pot. Gets a little moisture and the heat heats it up just perfect. You can heat it with a heat gun. For a bigger part like a fingerboard, I set it on this oil-filled heater. I'll warm up the area where the bridge is going to get glued on with my desk lamp. So after all that, here's how to mix high glue. It's pretty easy. I'm going to go down in there and dish out a cup full of granules. Then I want to use an equal amount of water, maybe a little more. Stir it up. Then you're going to have to let this sit for a while. It's been about an hour and a half, maybe 2, and it looks kind of like brown tapioca or brown sugar. Okay, we're going to warm it up. You could do this on a stovetop with a cooking pan and water. I've been using this Hold-Heet glue pot forever. Keep that thermometer around so you know when you're at 145. You can let it heat for maybe 2 hours, up to 4. This is the first time you're heating it. You just want it to all meld together. Well, it's been about 2 hours, and look what I got. Beautiful honey-like golden high glue, ready to use. When I'm done with this, I'm going to take it downstairs and put it in the refrigerator, just like that. Then later when I want a piece tomorrow or next week, I'll go in there with a spoon, dig out a chunk, put that in a little mixing cup, and put it in the microwave for 30 seconds, and it'll be ready to use. So that's an introduction to high glue. I think it covers it. Give it a try.